Did you just buy an RV160 or RV260 router, connect it to your internet service provider gateway, but aren't getting access to the internet? If your router can't get an IP address and can't get internet, I may know the culprit. It may come down to the MAC address. A MAC address is a unique 12-digit hexadecimal number that is assigned to a network device. Just like each person has their own unique DNA that identifies them, a MAC address identifies a specific piece of equipment. MAC addresses are usually printed physically on the device, but you can also find the MAC address on their web user interface. Some internet service providers, ISPs, set a MAC address binding on their end so that the internet only works with the MAC address of their gateway device. To get internet connectivity, the RV router needs to look like it has the same MAC address as the ISP router. It's like you have to make them appear as identical twins, at least from the ISP point of view. This way, the gateway will allow the internet to go through the RV series router. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to clone the MAC address of a third-party gateway onto your Cisco RV160 or RV260 router. I'll start with an overview of my equipment. My ISP gateway has a MAC address ending in CAB1. The RV router is showing its own unique MAC address. As it stands, the ISP will only allow internet to the MAC ending in CAB1. I want to take that MAC address and make it the listed MAC address for the RV router as well. Looking at my third-party ISP gateway web user interface, UI, under device info, the MAC address is shown here. If you don't want to access the ISP gateway web UI, you could also get it from the back side of the equipment. Now, your ISP gateway must be in bridge mode, which is standard. If it isn't in bridge mode, you should contact your ISP for instructions on changing the ISP gateway settings. To configure the MAC address clone, access the web UI of the RV router, and then, on the left, go to WAN, WAN settings, and then Advanced Settings. Select MAC address clone and enter the MAC address of your ISP gateway. Then, on the top right, hit Apply. That's it. The MAC address has been cloned onto the RV router. To confirm, go back, hit Status and Statistics, and then System Summary. It should show right here. Now go over to the WAN MAC. It should now show the MAC address identical to the ISP gateway MAC. In my example, the MAC address ends in CAB1, the same as the ISP gateway. Now the ISP will provide the internet to the RV router. You can get online and be good to go. It can be as simple as that. I hope this has provided you a few simple steps to get you connected. If this hasn't solved your issue, please check out the troubleshooting article listed in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.